Ngifike home affairs izolo yabo ngayithola kade ngidinga. Kodwa ngathi kuningi okucabangayo namhlanje kwenze njani?
I was thinking how about to take our relationship to the next level.
Ufuna sithi babe.
Yeah.
Kwenze njani? Sikhuluma nansi mntwana.
I wanted to meet my son.
You want me to meet your son?
Yeah.
Because kade ngifanele kummeet umfana wakho. Right. Ukhona la?
It's like run of a complaint.
La?
Yeah.
Shushu ngambona manje.
Yeah.
Wow, let's talk. Okay, let's go see him. Let's go. Okay. Wow, this is indaba ezinhle lezi. Angizombona umfana sami.
Hawu bana indaba ezinhle lezi.
Baby, this is my son.
Mom, is this my new stepfather?
Yes, it is.
Wow, cute. Mom, please allow me to go and play a bit with my new stepfather.
No problem.
You niggas in trouble. 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 You niggas in trouble.